Hello everyone, today we are playing Cooking Simulator VR. Yeah! Cooking Simulator VR. Cooking Simulator VR. That's probably so annoying right now. I'll stop. Psst. In sandbox mode, press the beep button. Okay. And the refrigerator. Refrigerator. That's perfect. Continue, I guess. This might not look good. This might have a ginormous mess here. This is sandbox mode, by the way, so we're gonna cook food. Yay! What the heck? Am I short? Please don't tell me I'm very short. I'm gonna be short in this. How'd I know it? And why is it Christmas? It's Halloween. Hold on. I'm gonna fix something here. People, horizon feed, camera. Where the heck is settings? Duh, it's right there. I was in settings the whole time. That was, oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I found out how to turn on my microphone. I never had this on before. So my mic now does work in these settings. Yay! Isn't that exciting? Environment setup, there we go. Boundary. Set floor level. It's gonna be very dark for you guys. Unless you guys can now see me. There we go. Now I'm tall. Now I'm tall. Maybe a bit too tall. It's fine. Hold on. I'm a bit too tall. Let me just fix that. Set floor level. No, all the way down there, bro. Is it? That's good. Am I still the same size? Okay. Not gallery. Okay, set floor level. Okay, about right there. Yay! Not yay! I'm still tall as heck. How do we crouch? No. How do we crouch? Oh. Okay. I guess I'm just gonna have to be tall. Okay, so I guess it's now Christmas. That's nice. Why is there just a knife and a piece? What? This game is $30, by the way. Knife! Throw the knife! Okay, we're just gonna open this right here. Beef! That's my floor. Steak! Steak! Hope the customer enjoys that. Hope they enjoy that. That's not the right one. It's off. Oh yeah. Cooking in the kitchen. Okay. French fries. Ah. Is that side cooked now? I don't want to wait. I want to eat. I want to eat. Oh, no. No. I want to stop crouching now. Why don't I have... Oops. Yeah, no gloves. Just kidding. Gloves are always important. Gloves aren't always important. I think my steak might be burnt. Somehow perfectly cooked. TV, please. 10:02. That is not the time. Look, that is not the time. Yeah! I'm gonna kill you with the... Never mind. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Is it done yet? Yay! Actually, let's cook that for a few more seconds. Okay, that's good. I just took the burning hot pan. Okay, it's not that warm. Okay, there we go. Now I'm to a great size. No, I'm great size. This isn't cooked. We don't need our customers getting sick. But we need them to enjoy a fat piece of steak. Come on, guys, let's go do an ASMR. Let's go do an ASMR. I'm gonna cut this. ASMR time. Not ASMR, sorry. Satisfying time. Wait, let's see. Whoa! Ow. I stabbed myself. Whee! Oh no. Tomato! Oops. Let's just clean the floor with this. Get under. Get under the fridge. Never mind, that isn't the fridge. Guys, what should I buy? Just give me that. Spices, liquids, utensils. Beer! Oh yeah, it would not be good to buy beer. I wonder what happens if we put it on the floor. Is this lighter dumb? I'm letting you burn my kitchen down and you're not doing anything. Oh wait, is it supposed to be for like a candle? Or a firecracker? Maybe a firecracker. Wait, oh god! Oh no. Halloween candle. Oh yes. I guess they made it so you can't burn anything. What happens if you just accidentally knock it over like... Burn my house down! You're failing at your job. Come here. No, I don't want a pot. I want this candle. Yay! I'm gonna put you in the sink. You deserve to be in the sink. And I'm gonna fill up the sink with water. Yeah, we'll just leave a burning candle in the sink. Nothing bad will... Oh, okay. Cooking, 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 cook, cook, cook. I can just press my trigger and it stops. That's nothing like a torch. It's a torch. Oh. Let me out! Please! Please, I can smell! I can smell freedom! What? Ow. No, it'd be very funny if I hit myself. Ow. Let me drink some Dr. Pepper. Yum. I wonder what this does. This does nothing. What can set my house on fire? We have a bunch of knives here. Let me just like... I dropped one of my knives. Drives. What is this beer? That's oil. No, it's beer. Nope, that's oil. Let's make some pasta. Actually, so I spilled some stuff, so we're gonna just grab this Swiffer vacuum here. Whatever. Just clean, clean, clean. Alright, let's throw this away. You know, this will be our... Get out of my hands, bro. We can just put the stuff in there. Then, you know, just throw everything in the trash. No, I wonder what we can actually make that's good and won't kill people from how bad it tastes. Dang it. No! Okay, yay. Give me. Yippee! No! That ruined everything. I thought I was gonna be able to throw this away without almost dying. Get in there. Get in there! Get in there! Get in there! See, you made me drop everything! Let me out! Let me out! I wonder what update we can change it to now. Let me just go on my computer here. I know! Stop telling me! I might burp. Anyways. Christmas. Excuse me. I mean, bless me. I mean. Cooking on Halloween! Halloween love. Am I gonna die in here alone? I think I'm gonna die. Yeah, I think I might die. Give me the candle. Oh, ow! I just almost broke my back. But I'm gonna try a backflip. Oh gosh. Oh no. I'm gonna hug my fan. Why is my fan right there? Why is my fan so tall, bro? Well, I'm trying my concoction. Guys, I'm just gonna mess up this whole kitchen for the outro. I warned you. I warned you. I warned you. Alright. Wait, where are their bolts? Are these infinite? These are infinite. And why are they so unbreakable? Come here. Come here. Ooh. Yummy. No more. These taste really good. I wonder what chicken broth tastes like. Doesn't taste that good. Yum. 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 Jeez! No, bro, they're infinite. Okay. How long? That's it of the video. Have a good day, everyone. Peace. Have a good day and peace. tell me what I should record next, and I will record it down in the comments below. And you may get a shout out if you subscribe and like the video, or turn on notifications so you can see more. Yeah, that's right. See more. Of course, if you want to see more, what the heck? Peace. Why didn't it work?